Gikan ka mamluga. Sige. 1, 2, 3, say thank you for that sponsor.
Thank you so much to Sir Abed and Sir JP for sponsoring another batch of this Bibles and Christian literature. Thank you so much. We have given this to all the churches who attended in our second National Convention of the Word of Life, Philippines International. Thank you, Sir JP and Sir Abed. God bless you.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you sa Bible. Thank you.
Salamat. Salamat.
Okay.
Mamala ang bueno na palindugan ko alin.
Nay, mga booklet dito.
Abilang next is uruban. Next, musunod ang kabatbaran. Palayo mo aning offer sa school about healing.
Oh, pwede na
So
sa
thank you very much, Sir Abi o Sir JP. So,
Uy, pag-thank you. Pag-thank you ka, Sir Abed.
thank you very much from Area 1, Area 2, Area 3, and the whole Mindanao, the Christian group. Sa talang mga leaders, sa mga pastor.
Pastor, more Bible.
Thank you for more Bible.
Oh, mga tag na sila, more Bible.
Cebuano, or English, or any kinds of tracts. So once again, thank you very much, and God bless. More power and continue to support the ministry. Okay, next is Las Nieves. Okay, palayo ang gitawag o gadget of giving. Kaya basta sa pagmamaghatagod the secret key for the mayroong rich ang Kristofano. Okay, hindi ang Biblia. Next is Tandag City. Sa Tandag City. And San Nicolas. San Nicolas, aga? Okay. Niapin na ito kasama sa kanila kung hindi. Kalunugan ng paghabang buhay. Okay. Kaysa ito'y hiling o bakit, sino-sino. Hindi ito naman. Kaya ang tagang we'll see the supporter o sa iso din nagkatanda
Ay, English. Thank you, Sir Abed and Sir JV. Thank you, Sir Abed of Sir JV.
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, Sir Abed and Sir JV Outdoors.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir English. Sige.
Bless you.
Thank you, Sir Abed, Sir JV. More Bibles, Sir JV and Lana. Pila na kabok? Ma'am Rod.
Sa Singapore. Okay. Alegria!
Uy, wala na.
Okay.
Pastor! Wala na.
We'll see. Thank you very much for the principal sponsor and supporting the ministry, the Bible, thank you very much
Sa Bible study.
sa
Ano? Ganyan na